Miss Lolly TV. Happy Father's Day. Today I'm going to be making a cool box for Dad. Just kidding. I generally think I was going to be wearing this for the whole entire video. So what you're going to need is a box that opens. Actually, plate or whatever plate you have. Like a plate. This actually is what this feels really good. Air. The paint brushes that I have right here. Some pink. And I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh yeah, it's a sponge for paint. And let's get started. The first one I want to do is I want to put the paint. So let's start getting paint. I'm going to use a sponge for blending. But no, that's after. So what kind of brush am I going to use? This brush. Okay, now that I'm done with my box, I bet yours looks amazing. So now we can fill it up with a bunch of fun stuff. I want to start with some dark chocolates because my dad's favorite chocolates are dark chocolates. So let's put the dark chocolate like this. You guys can put whatever you want, whatever your dad likes. Whatever your heart desires that you want to put in your basket. I want to add some of this dark chocolate. So I'm just going to put it in like this. And I'm going to put a game of Conquien. A card game. So that me and my dad can play. Because now I know how to play. So we're just going to put that in. And I'm going to add some Jelly Ranchers for my dad and me to play the game and eat some Jelly Ranchers. Make sure to subscribe and like. See you in my next video.